we should have the power to police. For example, Congress now asks the ICT, if we regulate, malaking if pa ito, Kated, if we regulate, do you have the power to police? Ito madali lang uli ito. Meron tayong mga computer systems that monitor them. And like I said kanina, if they violate, we can block. Ngayon we cannot. There is no law that allows us to block them. But if there is a regulation, masasaktan din ng kanilang Philippine revenues kasi we can impose sanctions like suspension. Like we can block them for a day or 2 days until they correct that particular issue that we were telling them. And then third, yung tungkol dun sa freedom of expression. This is my stand, and sinabi ko rin naman to sa Congress. For example, may tumitira sa gobyerno na ang tawag sa kanya AMP satire. So sorry kung na-ano ko siya, na-plug. No? Pag tinignan mo sa Meta, puro AI yun. Ini-AI generate nila si Presidente, si Speaker, si Senate President, halo-halo na. So, ano ba yun? Is that a deep fake siya, pero is that fake news? Maliwanag naman sa post niya, sinabi niya, satire, this is AI generated. I'm using this as political humor or meme. I think in these particular cases, they can say, oh, okay lang yan. Kasi tinag mo naman eh. Yun yung forma ng regulation na gusto natin. We just want to inform the public na itong information na binigay mo, joke ito. Kasi minsan ang hirap ng alamin ano ba yung joke, ano yung totoo eh. Minsan na sabihin mo totoo eh, tapos pag kinagat ka ng publiko pabalik, biglang babawiin mo, sabihin mo, hindi, joke lang yan ha. So nagiging irresponsible na rin yung mga tao sa pagbibigay ng komento sa social media. So that's the kind of regulation that we at least in the ICT are pushing.